Join us for a visit to another spectacular home bar. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, coming to you from the Green Bamboo Lounge in Cobleskill, New York. The Green Bamboo Lounge is just one of the many amazing features in the home of photographer and vivacious pinup girl Meg Delish and Nikki Chicago. Let's grab a drink and take a look around.
Hi everybody, I'm Meg Delish and welcome to the Green Bamboo Tiki Lounge. Today I will be making our signature drink, the Electric Blue. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces Malibu rum, 2 ounces of blue curacao, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 3 ounces of coconut, and 4 ounces of ginger ale. Our pineapple and cherry garnishes. Aloha!
The Green Bamboo Lounge is so much more than just a great home bar. It features amenities like a home theater for watching movies in style, a wine cellar, a game room that rivals any commercial bar, and some killer mid-century modern decor. If I lived here, I'd never want to leave. We've enjoyed our visit to the Green Bamboo Lounge so much. Thank you to Meg Delish and Nikki Chicago for their hospitality. If you'd like us to visit your home bar, drop us a message and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.